Good morning, children. Today we will learn about articles. So let's start with articles today. So before moving ahead, let's understand that what are articles. Articles are demonstrative adjectives. Yes, we there are a lot of us who are not aware of it, but actually articles are demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives we all know are those words which describe a noun, and demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives which demonstrative means to point out at something. So they point out at a specific noun, right? So when you talk about articles, they are adjectives. That is why they describe a noun, because adjectives always describe a noun, and therefore they are used before a noun because they describe nouns. Now, when we talk about the types of articles, basically we have two categories. The first one is definite article. In definite article, we have article the, and another category is indefinite article. So let's talk about the first category, definite. We have the where we have the article the. Now this article the is used to refer to particular nouns. Please focus over here. I'm talking about particular nouns. Particular nouns means when you are talking about something specific. There we make use of definite article the. So as the name suggests, definite. So something which is about which you are pretty sure. For example, please give me the hammer. Here I am using the hammer because I am talking about a particular hammer. So I am very much sure that about which hammer I am talking about. He is the boy I was talking about. So again, I am talking about a particular boy, right? So I'm pointing out at a particular boy about whom I was discussing. So when you talk about a definite article, it talks about particular nouns. Now, when you talk about indefinite articles, here we have a and an. They are used with nouns in general. When we are not talking about any particular noun, there we make use of indefinite articles a and an. When we are talking in a general sense. For example, I will buy a toy tomorrow. I'm not pointing out at any toy that I will buy the toy tomorrow. Yeah, I will buy the toy which you bought yesterday. No, I'm not pointing out at any particular toy. I'm talking about a toy in general. Similarly, next example, we heard an interesting story. So again, here I am talking about story in general. I'm not talking about a particular story. So that is why here I am making use of article an. Now let's understand more about these articles a and an. What are these indefinite articles and where to use them? They both are used with singular countable nouns. Please understand over here that a and an both are used with singular countable nouns, right? So those nouns which are singular and which you can count. Countable nouns are those nouns which you can count. So there we make use of a and an. For example, he is reading a book. There is an ant on the bed. So in these cases, here when we talk about this sentence, he is reading a book. Book is countable and singular. So I'm making use of article a. And ant is again singular and countable. So I'm making use of article an. Now where to use a and where to use an? A is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Please note over here that I am focusing here upon sound. So those nouns which start or which begin with a consonant sound. What are consonants? We all know that in English we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. Leaving these 5 vowels, rest every alphabet in English is a consonant. So those nouns which start with a consonant sound before them and they are singular and countable, before them we make use of article a. For example, there is a lake behind the temple. So I'm talking about singular, I'm talking about one lake, right? And I'm talking about a lake in general. I'm not talking about or I'm not pointing out at that lake, right? So I'm not making it specific. That is why a lake. He gave a banana to the poor girl, right? So here again, I'm using a banana. Now see, when you talk about this lake is starting with a consonant sound, lo, right? Similarly, banana, bo is a consonant sound, right? So when you have a consonant noun starting with a consonant sound, we make use of article o, and along with that, they should also be singular and countable. The next is an. An is also used with singular and countable nouns, but they are used with the nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Here, they are used before the nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Here, they are used with the nouns beginning with a vowel sound. So vowels we all know A, E, I, O, and U, right? So for example, today I ate an orange. So orange is starting with a vowel sound O, right? That is why we are making use of the article an. You should eat an egg daily. Here again, egg is starting with a vowel sound. That is why we are making use of article an. Now, one thing to understand here is that we have to focus upon the sound, right? We don't have to focus upon the letters. So look over here. I'm talking about honest man, right? Now this word honest is having a sound like this, honest, right? So when you talk about the sound of this noun, honest, this adjective, honest, here it is giving you a sound of a vowel. So because here it is giving you a sound of a vowel, that is why we are making use of article an, right? Because here it is giving a sound of a vowel. Or we can say that if it is starting with a swar in Hindi. In Hindi, if that word is starting with a swar, it means that it is giving you a vowel sound. So you will have to make use of an before it. Similarly, let's take another example. MBA, right? So it is starting with a consonant letter M, a letter with a consonant sound M. But here, when you translate it into Hindi, right? When you write it in Hindi, MBA, you write it like this. So it is starting with a swar in Hindi, right? A. A is a swar. So that is why over here we will make use of an MBA. University. So it is starting with a vowel, right? But it is giving you sound of a swar or a vowel in Hindi, right? So because it is giving you a sound of a vowel, that is why we will make use of O university. Clear? We will not say an university. We will say a university. 1 rupee note. It is starting with a vowel, right? But it is giving you sound of a consonant in Hindi, right? 1. So that is why we will make use of article a. So here we have to understand one thing, that we have to focus upon the sound. We don't have to focus upon the letters with which they are starting. So if you want to be correct in making use of articles, and you have to understand this thing, that we cannot go by the letters, that whether they are starting with a consonant or a vowel. You have to go by the sound of that noun or that word. So let's have a small exercise upon this. So these are few questions, right? You can just stop the video and mark out the answers. And then later on, you can check your answers with this slide. So here I have mentioned all the answers. If you face any doubt or you face any problem, you can just put the statement in the comment box and I will reply. Okay, now moving ahead with definite article, that is though. So though is used with particular nouns, right? So what are the situations where we make use of article though? Understand this thing, that the article is used with superlatives. Superlatives means it is a degree of adjective. So article the is always used with superlative degree of adjectives, right? So whenever you are using superlative degree, we will make use of the. Like in this example, he is the most intelligent student of the class. So here I am making use of article the because I am making use of the superlative degree, right? Similarly, this is the best book I have ever read. Again, here I am making use of the because I am talking about the superlative degree. So whenever you are using superlative degree, before that you always make use of article the. You use this article with singular nouns that represent the whole class. Please understand one thing, that here we are talking about the whole class, but in that case that noun should be singular. The dog is a faithful animal. So here I am talking about dog in general. I'm talking about the whole class of dogs. I'm not talking about a particular dog. All dogs are faithful, right? So because I'm talking about a whole class of dogs, so that is why, and because it is singular, that is why I'm making use of article the. The elephant has a remarkable memory. Again, I'm talking about the category, the whole class of elephants. All elephants have very good memory, very sharp memory. So because it is singular, that is why I'm making use of article the. And here I'm talking about the class, the whole class of elephants, right? The whole category. Another one is, it is used with nouns that are one of their kind. One of their kind means they are only one, like sun, moon, earth, sky. So those nouns which are one of their kind, before them we always make use of the. Like we can see the moon in the sky, the earth revolves around the sun. So in these cases, we are making use of article the because we are talking about, here also we are using the because we are talking about one the nouns which are one of their kind. The is used with the names of rivers. Here is a complete list that I'm going to discuss with you. So you have to remember these things, that whenever you are making use of or you are taking the names of rivers, we always make use of article the, right? The Ganga, the Yamuna. So here we are talking about rivers. You use them with seas and oceans, like the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Mountain ranges, like the Himalayas. We use them with holy books, like the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Mahabharata. So with these books, which are holy books, before them we always make use of article the. With newspapers and magazines, right? Like the Hindu, the Times of India, right? These all are names of newspapers. Directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. We use them with whole families when you're talking about an entire family, right? For example, the Bhatiyas. Here we are talking about the entire family of Bhatiyas, right? That is why we are making use of the. The Sharmas, where you are talking about the whole family of that category or that group, there we make use of article the. We use them with trains, ships, and aeroplanes, like the Taj Express, the Titanic. So when you're talking about names of ships and trains or aeroplanes, there we also make use of article the. We use the with well-known buildings like the Red Fort, the Gateway of India, the Taj Mahal. Countries, this is something very which is very important to understand. Countries that are plural or their name contain kingdom, republic, states, etc., right? So those countries which are plural or their name contains kingdom, republic, states, these words, like for example the Netherlands. Here see, this word is plural. Because it is plural, we are making use of article the United States of America. Here again, this is plural and we are also making use of the word states. That is why we have used the United Kingdom. Here we have the word kingdom. That is why we are making use of the. Otherwise, we don't make use of article the before any other name of the countries which are not plural or which do not make use of these words, kingdom, republic, or states. Now, omission of articles. We have seen where we can make use of articles, but we have to now understand that what are the situations where we should not make use of articles. Before abstract nouns and uncountable nouns, if they are not definite, please note here, I'm talking about uncountable nouns which are not definite, right? Article though can be used with countable and uncountable both, right? But we will not make use of any article before uncountable nouns if they are not definite. Like, beauty is admired by all. It is a right way of using it. But if we say the beauty is admired by all, it is wrong. It is beauty is abstract noun and we should not make use of any article before beauty. Please add sugar in this. Correct? Please add the sugar. Here it is wrong because sugar is uncountable. So you cannot make use of article the unless and until it had been made specific. Before proper nouns, we don't use articles before proper nouns. For example, it was his wish to visit London once in his life. It was his wish to visit a or the London once in his life is wrong. You cannot make use of article or the before the proper noun London. London is a proper noun because it is a name of a city. I was never good at maths. I was never good at the maths. Wrong. We cannot use article the before the names of subjects. Akbar was a great king. The Akbar was a great king. Please understand, Akbar is a proper noun. It's not one of its kind. Anyone has the name Akbar, right? So this noun is not definite. So that is why you do not make use of article the. Clear? It is a proper noun, but that is why you will not make use of article the with proper nouns. We all make mistakes. We feel that because Akbar was a famous personality or Mahatma Gandhi was a famous personality, so we should make use of article the before them. No, they are proper nouns. We should not use. We should not use articles before material nouns. Like, brass was used in the old days. The brass was used is wrong. We should not use article the before the name of the material noun, right? Water is colorless. Correct. The water is colorless is wrong. Water is uncountable. It's a material noun. We should not make use of article the before it. Before languages and sports, we should not make use of articles. For example, I can speak French and German. I can speak the French and the German. Incorrect. We should not use article the before French and German. They are languages. I like to play football. I like to play the football is wrong. Here, over in this example, you have to understand one thing, that if we are making use of article the before the name of the languages, then they give a completely different sense, right? What I mean to say over here is that when you say I can speak the French and the German, it is, although it is correct, it is wrong over here because I'm talking about languages. But when you talk about this sentence in general, if you remove this speak, and let's suppose if I say, I like the French and the German, so it means that you are talking about the citizens of France and citizens of Germany, right? You are not talking about French language or German language. You are talking about the citizens. So you have to understand this, that if article the is used before any language, then it depicts the citizen, not the language, right? So here in this sentence, it is entirely wrong because I'm talking about speaking. So I cannot talk about the citizens. So this is entirely wrong. But when you want to talk about the citizens of a particular country, then you should make use of article the before them, like the Indians, the Pakistanis. So it means you're talking about the citizens, not the language. Now here is one exercise for you. Just try to complete this exercise. Just try to fill in the blanks which are given over here, right? And answers I will share in the next slide. So you can just fill it and then you can stop the video and just check whether your answers are correct or not. And wherever you have doubts, you can always put your comments in the comment box. That's all for now. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please click on like button and subscribe the channel. I will see you soon with another video. Thank you.